chilly morning here, but we've got some soil here that we picked up yesterday, and we have our 2 plum trees that we're excited to get in the ground, and we'll join our apple trees and our peach trees. Oh, a peach tree, we've got a peach tree coming sometime next week. So things are starting to roll in, and we're excited to get our plum trees in the ground. Both of them came, as you saw, they look real good. Looked at those last day or two when they arrived. Now the holes we pre-dug, gosh, it's been a few months ago. Oh, thank you, Lucy.
Oh, Lucy,
appreciate that. But as you can see, they've over time, the rain and everything, they've gotten covered back up with stuff. So gonna clean them out, and they will be in their new home here before the end of the morning. Okay, I've been involved in other things here. Our good friend Larry is taking on this task of getting these plum trees in the ground. Beautiful day out here, a bit chilly this morning. Just wanted to check on the progress, how it's going. That looks plumb good.
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I certainly will need these 2 bags. I'm hoping that I'll have a little bit left over to fill that other hole. But getting these straight is difficult because of, they're grafted, and the result is that the graft comes in up like this, and the tree
Oh yeah.
leans the other direction. So I'm trying to, the reason that this one is heavier is because it has moisture in it that's frozen.
The bag had moisture.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed even though they're the same bags, one was significantly heavier. So this one's, that looks good. 2 bags was enough, hey?
For these 2, yes, that's curving that direction, but I guess I bring it down this way to try to straighten it.
Yeah, that would look better. For sure. Looks good. All right, they're looking good. Got them in the ground. It was a good day for them to go in the ground because it was good for us because it was pretty weather, and it's going to rain in a day or 2, so they should be in good shape here. It's all coming together. Even the dogs are happy. Till next time.